Hello, welcome to Crowded Lab channel. In today's video, I will do Vista Social review and demo. This tool recently came to AppSumo as well, and I will show the details of the deal in a moment. And before we start, this is their main website. As you can see, they already got some traction on G2 review site. They have a lot of awards there. They have 3 awards for small business. I think they deserved that because of their pricing and the quality of the product. If we take a look at the number of reviews on G2, they have a lot of positive reviews. Let's jump into AppSumo deal overview. VistaSocial just recently came to AppSumo and they already planning to leave, because they provide very high quality software, and here on AppSumo they already got a lot of positive reviews as well, and I think they might not return back to AppSumo because they are already pretty successful. With this AppSumo deal, as usual, you get 60-day money back guarantee, so you can try this product. And you get calendar view for planning and scheduling your content. You can do bulk scheduling. They have built-in link shortener. They even have Canva integration. They do social media and competitor reports, and you can export those reports as well. Very nice feature to have is social listening, where you can get alerted when something is being mentioned in your social media. And you can even reply to your direct messages through this application. Regarding the deal structure, with the license tier 1, you get several users already. That's a great start. Usually these tools give you just one user for the base tier, and you can manage 10 social accounts with unlimited reports and posts. That license tier 1 is a great start if you are managing several of your own social media accounts. And if you have a small business or medium or large size agency where you manage social media accounts professionally for your clients, then probably you can start with license tier 3, and it will cover your base needs, but you can increase it to manage 100 accounts. Let's jump into the review of the functionality of the Vista Social and actual demo. And first of all, I would like to tell that, as I mentioned before, regarding usability, I think this tool is a great one. Just on the example of accessibility of some main features that you may need, like creating a post. You can access creating a post from this. You can access it from main dashboard, like here, and even they have like quick add, and you can schedule a post here as well. Very easy to use, very intuitive. You will be able to post right away with this tool. So this is their dashboard where they have some onboarding videos available, and you can also go directly to Help Center, and they have very detailed documentation for each feature that you might need. To test this tool, I've connected several of newly created accounts for my channel on LinkedIn, Twitter, Reddit, and even TikTok. And before moving to the main functionality to schedule a post, let's quickly check what kind of integrations this tool supports. You can find it here through Settings, Connected Profiles. Here are my connected profiles. You can group your profiles. For example, you can manage some accounts for one client and some for others. Here are the integration. They support Facebook, Google Business, Instagram, LinkedIn, Reddit, Twitter, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube. You can connect your own Bitly account to shorten links, and VistaSocial provides some capabilities to shorten links through their platform as well. And they support some very popular review sites as well. So let's jump into creating a post. And for this demo, I would like to post this short content. They suggest to shorten the links, but I have already my own link shortener, so I don't need any shortening. And right away, you can preview how your content will look like on different platforms. Here we can see LinkedIn, and we can customize the content for particular platform. We can even create the first like. That's a nice touch. Let's see how it will look like on Twitter. And for the first test, let's use only LinkedIn and Twitter. Here we can say this is draft, add to publishing queue, schedule, or publish now. So let's publish now. Here we can see our post in the calendar, and let's publish. And that's it. We can see our post in calendar. We can preview those and actually can view that live on the LinkedIn. And here it is. This is our post and with one automatic like. Let's check Twitter. We can preview in the platform and can view that on Twitter. Here it is on Twitter. I think that sounds specific for the Twitter, where the last link was posted like this. Okay, let's explore some additional functionality of this tool regarding creating posts. And let's start with images. Here you can upload images from your computer. You can choose from your own library. Here are a few images that I've saved previously. I will show you how in a moment. I did that through Media Library. You can discover. That's a nice feature to have. For example, if you would like to do some travel posts about Rome, so we can find some images. We can get royalty-free images from Unsplash and from Pexels. Let's use this one. We can include that into the post. You can see how preview will look like. We can also discover GIFs through Giphy platform. Let's say we're looking for GIFs related to money. We can also add images from Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive. And one interesting feature is that you can design with Canva right here in this tool. You can choose different type of posts. Let it be social media. Though please note that they do not provide additional account or additional subscription to Canva. This is your own Canva subscription. So it works seamlessly if you are logged into Canva within the same browser. Then you don't need to relog in here. It will pick your login details automatically, but it will use your own Canva subscription. If you have free plan, you will be able to use free plan here. I have my pro subscription, so I can use some pro elements like this. You can design. They also have an option of dynamic image. You can update design. You can remove this one. You can add some background. Yep. So if you would need this kind of functionality, you have an option as well. Also, you can have your own type of files that you can use here in your post. You can insert links. And another great feature to have is that you can add videos. This one is from Video Library. You can also discover video from Pexels, which are royalty-free as well. We can also discover videos based on hashtags, and we can discover some content based on users as well. Regarding video, they also provide a dynamic video. Should be similar to dynamic image, but with video. Of course, you can add emojis. You can get hashtag suggestions, and you can pick ones that you like. Another useful feature is custom fields. I've just created my field. You can configure those fields to have different values depending on a platform. And in preview, we can see that our custom field has different values on different platforms. That's a really nice feature to have that will speed up creation of a content for different platforms at the same time. Here we can configure some mentions. So if you know a social media handle on one platform, you can enter it here and the tool will try to auto-suggest the handle on other platforms. It tells you that it was auto-matched and you need to verify it on your own. And here as well, you can use predefined and saved auto-mention, and it will be different for each platform. Another great feature to have. Let's move to the next feature, ideas. Here you can save your own ideas. Regarding posts, they also have an assistant, so you can speed up your workflow with their assistant as well. Another nice feature to have is that you can configure bulk scheduling based on data from CSV files, from blog, but your blog needs to support and provide RSS feed. You can do bulk scheduling based on news, on Instagram hashtag, based on some user. Another great feature of VistaSocial is that you can discover content. For example, you can find the latest news. You can read the full article or create a post based on this news. You can discover hashtags. You can find some specific users. You can search royalty-free images from Pexels or Unsplash. You can find GIFs and find videos on Pexels as well. Another nice feature to have is smart publishing, where you can republish the content, for example, from RSS feed from news. For that, you will need to configure smart publishing here. You can configure RSS feed. Let's quickly check TikTok Planner. This is a useful feature if you're planning to do TikTok publishing. We can discover more videos. I have one prepared. Another great feature that VistaSocial has is that you can pick trending sound. So I have one saved to my library. I'm probably a bit tired to say another great feature that VistaSocial has, but it is really another great feature, is that you can pick a sound and use that as the main theme for your video. Let's use it. So we can drag it here, and from here you can configure when you can have your post to be scheduled. And just out of the interest, let's do a quick test of posting on TikTok. Let's choose a video that we have from our library. And let's publish. Let's refresh TikTok. And here it is, our video. Moving next to the calendar. Here you can see your published content and you can schedule content simply clicking and choosing the date. You can have different views, daily, monthly. You can sort by type of posts. Let's move next to the media library. Here you can have your collection of images, videos, sounds, and your documents. And here, as before, you can add images from different places. You can get those from Pexels and Unsplash, royalty-free. You can save that into your gallery. You can have other sources for images, your own or design with Canva. Similar to videos, you can find GIFs, you can find videos on Pexels, and you can add those videos to your library. You can see dimensions, which this video has. Regarding sounds, you also can discover sound by hashtags from users and use trending sounds as we saw previously. And you can add your own documents as well here. Okay, moving to the next feature that I tested with VistaSocial. You can monitor social inbox. So I sent direct message to my Twitter account from another one, and it was reflected here in VistaSocial. And moreover, you can reply from VistaSocial to your DMs. Isn't that great? Though interaction is not immediate, I think it takes some time, some minutes to synchronize all your conversations. Another feature that VistaSocial provides is social listening. So you can configure some keywords that VistaSocial will monitor in your social interactions, and those will be appearing here. This is an example from their documentation. You can configure different listeners, for example, for some negative sentiment, some competitor references, and you can monitor those conversations. Yet another feature of VistaSocial that may come in handy for your business needs is reviews monitoring. Here in this section, you can actually have your account, like on Trustpilot or some other that they support. And from here, you can track, manage, and respond to your reviews. Regarding next feature about tasks, you can create those from different parts of the application and assign to different team members. And you can see those in the task section. Also, Social Vista provides reports. We can see some examples here, like you can measure engagement, see the number of published posts, and you can have different kind of reports. Let's also have a quick look at some settings. For example, they have profile groups where you can group your connected accounts into one space, and you can manage some settings for those groups. For example, for a particular group, you can have or have no link shortener provided by VistaSocial. And with link shortener, you have several options. You can opt out from it. You can have links provided by VistaSocial. You can even have your own domain and work with their support team. So they will help you to have your short links on your domain, but through their infrastructure. That will come in handy if you don't have your own link shortener. Or you can have connected your Bitly account. You can have your team members here and few more interesting publishing settings. Here you can have some calendars with some holidays which are visible on calendar view. You can connect some external calendars. You can have publishing queues. It means you can add a post to a publishing queue and those will be published at a predefined and configurable time slots. Very nice feature to have, so you know exactly when your post will go live. They also have some options to enable some video processing to tailor video to a particular social network. You can have some additional URL parameters if you would need some specific tracking. All right, so that concludes my VistaSocial review and demo. Please check the link in the description to get this tool. I enjoyed using this tool a lot. I like user experience and overall look and feel of the tool. I like the performance, the usability. It was very easy to use and configure. It comes with a lot of nice features. It's very convenient to schedule and preview posts, to find media. You have access to pixels and Unsplash images and videos. They even have some sound library which you can apply to your videos. You can manage easily your media. You can even respond to your direct messages and configure some monitoring for mentions. You can manage your reviews. I think it is a great option as all-in-one social media management platform. Whether you're a solopreneur, if you manage your own brand with few accounts, or if you manage accounts for your clients professionally, I think this tool will be a great choice for everybody. And with their deal on AppSumo, I think they provide a great value as well. So if you want this deal, please hurry. They will leave AppSumo soon. And considering the quality of this tool, I'm not sure that they will return to AppSumo. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.